my beautiful and amazing family. How are you all doing? Thank you very much for always supporting me. I really do appreciate. If today is the first time you are coming across this channel, this is Agatha Progress channel on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. As you can see in this channel, we react to all videos, and in this channel, all opinion is highly needed in the comment section. And if you love what I am doing in this channel, why don't you click on that button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that we become one big family. All right, my wonderful family, this video we're about to watch, I don't know how you felt about this video, but I do hope you got some lesson from it. All right, my wonderful people, let's go straight into the video. Now, watch it.
Everybody is out from here. There is nobody in this market. There is no food stuff, nothing. So let's keep touch watching. As you can see, the EDDC are here to disconnect electricity because everything here will be cleared. Everything here will be cleared. Everything here will be cleared. People are here to witness what's gonna happen. People are here to witness what's gonna happen. Keep watching, get in touch on what's happening here. As you can see those deaths around there, that's because of flooding. That's why the government wants to demolish here. This is Ariaria market, A line precisely. This Ariaria market, A line precisely. As you can see, the equipment are set. The military patrols are here. The army is here to ensure peace. People are running, think that the army will start something funny or start chasing them. You know about people. They always play with stuff. Like I said, the military patrol are here to ensure peace and make sure that the work is done. People are still coming. People are still coming to observe what's happening here in A-line about Abia State, Ariaria precisely. This plane is full of blood. If rain comes, you will not stand here, honestly. Here they are standing, you can never stand there. So people have been suffering here, honestly. And I thank God the government have come to the rescue to demolish and to build, to create a standard one for the living of the citizens in Abia State. Keep in touch, keep watching, keep following us, OG Blogs Media. Thank God that the Abia State government have come to the rescue of Abia people over these Ariaria market issues, because both the flood, everything spoils goods for people. Honestly, the flood disturbs them a lot. Keep sharing this post, keep sharing this post. Keep sharing to other groups, keep sharing around, keep sharing the video around. Don't forget to like and follow our page, OG Blogs Media. We'll keep you in touch on what's happening. Immediately you'll start demolishing the place. I'll keep you in touch.
Game is so easy for somebody to detect. They are playing the game of governorship election. They just want to demolish this place so that people that are eager will say, oh, they've destroyed the market, they will build new one for us, or they have built new one for us. All these things, they are all story. Believe me, let's give them some time. They will never rebuild this market. They just use it as a way opener for them, because you know some people are so eager of money. Some people love all these things, so they will fall for it. But believe me, they are not going to build any market. It's because of the election. Being that Biafra has already making their declaration that no election in Biafra land, that is why they are doing all this. They are not doing anything. They are not going to rebuild any market. Rather, it's going to be in a worst shape. All right, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this wonderful update. Please do well to share this video, like and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you very much for your support that you always give to me in this channel. I really appreciate. See you when I see you. Bye bye.